Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reply to a message on Messenger that your partner has sent you. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and then select your friend or the contact to whom you are speaking or you would like to reply to. So click on it, tap on his or her message, and click on a reply down below in the left side corner, and then you are ready to type in your answer and then hit the button send in the middle of the screen. So as you can see, it says you replied to and then your partner's name. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.